the social media we would like to use is Facebook. So this is the first post that I want to share to you. So bagag. So the first picture is my profile. This is my current profile picture. So what's happening is that profile picture is at a resort where there's a gorilla statues, and I'm pretending to be a gorilla so I can blend in with the environment. So next. So the target audience, syempre, my friends, my family, my fans, joke. So, syempre, friends lang yun. So, friends, naka-only friend siya ngayon. So, pero, at that time, is naka-public siya. And, syempre, gusto ko din naman i-change yung privacy nun from time to time. So, nagbago na isip ko, mga pala akong tanga.
Oh no!
So, na lang siya. Only me. Yun, only me na lang. So, bawal na po kayo mag-react and violent reactions, bawal din. If that will affect the employer's, the employer's mind, I think it's yes, because it's not appropriate in the corporate setting. So the employers, I should impress the employers and not make them laugh. So the next is, it's a kickboxing training video where the trainer wanted his student to throw a leg kick. Leg kick, guys. No?
Wow!
So, yun. That video, his trainee used his punches instead of leg kick. So, in mixed martial arts, it's somewhat a funny thing to do because we can't punch them in the legs. So if that ang target nun is syempre friends no. So naka-custom pa din naman siya, pero after ko siya i-post as friends, so kinustomize ko na lang siya para dun sa mga gets ng humor kasi syempre hindi naman lahat alam yun. So if strict yung employer, tingin ko hindi naman nila makikita yun kasi I've changed my mind na hindi na siya naka-friends. So naka-ano na lang siya. Custom friends na lang siya. So if you know, selected people lang makakita na. So last is alam niyo na to, ito, pang. Itong post na to is nakaka-relate ako. So, ito yung may nagbabasketball. So, late na siya sa subject niya. Kaya ang ginawa niya, instead na pagpapasok siya, instead na maayos tignan. So, pawis na pawis siya. So, yun. Quick, kung ba't ko to shinare. Kasi, one time, kay Doc Lea to. One time is nagba-basketball ako. So late na ako nun sa ni Doc Lea, sa subject niya. So thankful naman ako kay Doc Lea kasi pinapasok niya pa rin ako. Pero after 5 minutes nag-dismiss na siya. So yun wala rin. So same as the last one naman. If strict yung employer, syempre makaka-apekto. Pero ang target audience ko lang naman is yung mga kakasi ko. So, hindi siya makikita ng employers. Siyempre, hindi siya naka-public. And yung profile ko din naman sa Facebook is naka-private profile ako. Kaya, only my friends. Tapos, yung post na yun is naka-custom pa. Siyempre, taka ko bossing. Boss! So, yun lang. So, thank you guys.
So, for the first FB post that I select, ito siya. Makikita nyo dito. Yan. So, the first question is, what is the post about or what's happening in it? So this Facebook post, this is a picture that has caption of 2020 can't surprise me anymore. Then picture siya na kasama niya yung isang tao na kamukha ni Albert Einstein. And then someone comment on that picture na kill him before he gives another theory. So for the second question, who was the target audience that you had in mind when you made the post? Well, this post is for public, for all my friends, even yung mga hindi ko friends sa Facebook, basta naka-public yung privacy niya. And then for the third question is, who is currently actually able to view this post accordingly to your privacy settings? Well, yung default privacy settings naman ng Facebook ko is sa mga posts is naka-public naman po talaga. So anyone on Facebook is my viewers on that post. So for the fourth question is, assume that the employer is very strict about professional image. Would this post affect your chances of getting hired by the type of manager? Why or why not? Well, for me, I think hindi siya makaka-apekto because it's just a funny pic or memes ganon. So hindi mo siya makaka-apekto sa kumbaga performance or sa parang characteristic mo about sa pag-apply. So the last question is, did you change your default privacy settings on your chosen social media site or app or take any other action as a result of this activity? Why or why not? Well, hindi ko na pinalit, hindi ako nagpalit ng privacy settings nito kasi yun nga, sabi ko kanina is wala namang mali dito sa post nito. Kumbaga parang nag-share ka lang ng good vibes, ganon, mapatawa mo lang iba. So yun lang. So for the next post, yung next post natin naman is ito. Makikita nyo dito. Yan. So yung meron sa post na to is picture siya na may caption na sulat na, uy, pati nga ng gawa mo, hindi ko kokopyahin kung walang idea. So for the second question is, who is the target audience of that picture or shared post? Well, lagi naman ako naka-public ng mga sa privacy ko sa Facebook. Well, funny picture lang din naman siya, tulad nung una. Then sa third question is, who is currently able to view the post according to your privacy settings? Tulad nga ng sinabi ko is naka-public lang siya, so marami, lahat ng mga tao sa Facebook is pwedeng makita tong shared post na to. Then for the third question is, assume that the employer is very strict about professional image. Would this post affect your chances of getting hired by that type of manager? Well, I think para sa akin, if yung mayroon na kumbaga strict na manager talaga is may chance na maka-apekto to kasi kumbaga itong shared post na to is parang nagpapakita ng hindi pagiging independent, parang well, if ever na yung manager is sobrang seryoso sa mga ganung bagay, I think may chance na pag nakita niya to is magkakaroon siya ng idea na ay, hindi pala independent to, parang ganun ba. So for the fifth question or last question, did you change your default privacy settings on your chosen social media app or take any other action as a result of this activity? Why or why not? Well, hindi ko rin pinalitan yung yung privacy settings because I think it's lang naman, funny pictures, to share good vibes, ganun. Wala namang ma-offend like that. So next sa third post, yung last is eto, may kita nyo dito. Well, this is a shared post na tinag ako ng friend ko. So first question is yung what this post all about. This post all about a picture of email. I think it's from Indeed. Alam niyo Indeed yung kumbaga job offer, mga ganon. So this email is showing that Indeed sent an email to Ian that ang nakalagay dito is ito yung message, babasahin ko. We came across to your resume on Indeed and noticed your passion for technology and skills in JavaScript, SQL, and HTML, CSS. If you are interested in a bartender position at North Italia, please feel free to apply or view the job description for more details. Well, ayun yung kumbaga what it's all about. Then for the second question is itong shared post na to is naka lang siya, kumbaga naka only friends. Yun yung privacy ng post na shared post na to. So sa mga friends lang to, friends ko at saka yung friends ng nagtag sa akin itong post. Then sa third question is who are the currently actually able to view this post accordingly to your privacy settings. Well, ayun nga sinabi ko, tag to sa akin ng friend ko na naka friends only yung privacy niya. So ang target viewer neto is all of my friends and all of his friends. And then for the fourth question is assume that the employer is very strict about your professional image. Would this post affect your chances of getting hired by that type of manager? Well, I think hindi naman ito makakapag-affect sa professional image mo. Well, it's naman nga parang kumbaga good vibes lang din siya funny post, ganun, memes, ganyan. Well, yeah, hindi siya makaka-affect para sa akin. Then last is, did you change your default privacy settings on your chosen social media site or app? Or take any other actions as a result of activity? Why or why not? This post, hindi ako nagpalit ng privacy neto or take any action because it is a tag lang naman sa akin. But ayun nga, yung target niya talaga is yung friends lang. So wala namang ibang mismo na pinapatamaan, ganun. So yun lang. So that's all.
Yo! Hello everyone! Let's tackle naman yung mga shared post ko sa Facebook. So there is a time kasi na napaka-unprofessional ko sa FB, kaya tara, pag-usapan at sagutin ng mga tanong dito. As you can see, this is the picture. And sagutin natin tanong, what is the post about or what's happening in it? So actually, it's a conversation only. Pero yung caption ko parang napakabasagulero ko. So number 2, who was the target audience that you had in mind when you made the post natin? I just post it lang for a meme. So next question, who is currently actually able to view this post according to your privacy settings? Friends only. And question number 4, assume that is employer very strict about professional image, will this post affect your chances of getting hired by the type of manager? So why or why not? For me, maybe yes, it will be affect kasi baka isipin ng employer na palaaway ako or mahilig sa away. It's unprofessional if I will apply sa mga malalaking employer. Next question, do you change your default privacy settings on your chosen social media site or app or take any other action as a result of this activity? Why or why not? For me, it's nothing changed. It's just a meme for me kasi na di naman kailangan i-big deal since kilala naman ako ng tao bilang mabait at patulungin. So, let's tackle naman yung susunod na shared post ko sa Facebook. As you can see, ito po yung post. So, sagutin natin ulit yung tanong. What is the post about or what's happening in it? So, it's a picture na pagiging violente sa pakikipag-argumento. So, the next question, who was the target audience that you had in mind when you made the post? So, mga friends ko lang na mahilig makapag-argument kahit mali minsan. So, the next question, who is the currently actually able to view this post? So, according to your privacy settings. Actually, it's a friends only. So, assume that the employer is very strict about the professional image. So, will this post affect your chances of getting hired by the type of manager? Why or why not? For me, yes. It will affect kasi sa post ko na mananakit agad ako pag naiinis sa mga argument. But totally, I'm not that kind of person. It's just a meme. So, kung strict ang manager, baka ikasira ko to. Kasi baka sabihin na ganun yung mga behavior ko. So next, did you change your default privacy settings on your chosen social media site or app, or take any other action as a result of this activity? Why or why not? So nothing changes kasi karamihan naman sa mga friends ko is maloko din. So saka is just a meme lang naman. No need seryosohin. And like I said earlier, alam naman ng mga friends ko na hindi ako ganun tao. Mabait ako. So minsan naiinisan talaga ako pag may mga argument na pinipilit lang kahit mali. Kahit yung purpose lang nun is asarin ako. And then, let's proceed naman sa last picture. As you can see, ito yung post. So, sagutin natin yung tanong, what is the post about or what's happening in it? Actually, it's a funny pic of Facebook. So, next question, who was the target audience that you had in mind when you made the post? Nothing, I just shared lang naman kasi because it makes me laugh that time. So, next question, who is the currently actually able to view this post according to your privacy settings? It's a friends only. And next, assume that the employer is very strict about professional image. Will this post affect your chances of getting hired by the type of manager? Why or why not? So, for me, if the employer is, very religious, it will affect to my personality. Kasi nga naman, baka ang point sa kanila is binabasos ko yung religion. But for me kasi, wala lang, pero iba pala yung impact nito pagdating sa kanila. So, be insensitive na lang siguro. So, next question. Did you change your default privacy settings on your chosen social media site or app, or take any other action as a result of this activity? Why or why not? So yes, I take action. I set this post as only me kasi nakita din to ng mga tita ko na and lola na masyadong religious. And ayun, napagalitan ako. Kaya in-only ko na lang siya during that time.
Ito po yung first post ko, ma'am, shared post. July 1, 2019. Ito po yung post. Next, question number 1. What is the post about or what's happening in it? Nakasulat po dito, ma'am. Sampaling kaya kita ng reviews ko para malaman mong special ka sa akin. So, meron po dito, ma'am. So, kung pakita sa crush ko na special siya sa akin, kaya kung pwede ba sampalin ko siya ng reviews ko para malaman niya po, ma'am. Then nasagot na po yung number 2. Tapos sa number 3, who is currently actually able to view this post according to your privacy settings? Mga FB friends, yun, kasi mga FB friends ko lang po, ma'am. Family and friends lang po. Tapos number 4, assume that the employer is very strict about professional image. Will this post affect your chances of getting hired by type of manager? Hindi po maapektuhan yung sa pag-hire dahil po, ma'am. Hindi ko naman po nakikitang offensive yung shinare kong post. Lang, ma'am, pamparinig lang, sa crush. Kaya hindi ko nakikitang offensive to sa ibang tao. So lang pakita na special sa akin yung crush ko, ma'am. Tapos next, did you change your default privacy settings on your chosen social media site or take any other action as a result of this activity? Hindi po, ma'am. Naka pa rin po ako, ma'am. Naka-default FB friends only. Pero pag mga displeasing or di appropriate, ma'am, nagka-custom ako. Tas sineselect ko lang yung sino yung taong sa FB friends na gusto kong makakita ng shinare ko. Yun lang po. Next, sa pangalawang post na po, ma'am, June 25, 2019. Ito po yung post. Nakasulat po, ma'am, para kanino post mo. Tapos nakalagay, patanong po, ma'am, para kanino post mo. Tapos depende sa kanila kung sino gusto sumalo. Yung ma'am, bali nagsishare-share lang po ako ng mga mga pang patama. Tapos depende na lang po sa mga depende ka lang sa mga FB friends kong babae kung gusto nilang mag-assume na sila yun ma'am. Tapos ayun po, nasagot na yung number 1 and 2, yung sino yung target audience nga ma'am, kung sino yung mga FB friends kong babae na gustong mag-assume na sila yung pinapatamahan, ganun. Pati yung crush ko ma'am yun. Next is currently yan, number 3, as usual, naka-friends lang po ako ma'am, family and friends, privacy. Then sa number 4 din po, di ko rin po ito makikitang offensive sa tao, kaya sa tingin ko naman hindi ito makaka sa pag-hard sa akin, at hindi siya offensive. Kung gusto naman nilang pwede ko naman i-delete yung post kung ayaw nila. Tapos number 5, yun, di pa rin di ko change sa default settings nga yung naka FB friends pa rin yung privacy ko sa pag-shared post. Yan, last June 25, 2019. Ito po yung post ma'am. Sila, nasulat ko dito, sila, bagong cellphone, bagong sapatos, bagong damit. Ako, walang bago, ikaw pa rin. Yung ma'am, sinasabi lang dito sa post na Pasko ata ito ma'am na may mga natatanggap silang bago, mga ganun ma'am, bagong cellphone, mga kagamitan sa buhay. Ako walang bago, siya pa rin ma'am. Tapos yung target audience ko ma'am, yun si crush pa rin ma'am. Tapos number 3, naka friends lang po yung privacy. Tapos number 4, di ko naman po nakikita ulit na offensive. Nagpapatinig lang po ako, walang tinatapakan na tao ma'am. Kaya di ko at dito magiging sagabal sa pag hard sa akin ma'am. Tapos changer, hindi po ma'am, naka po pa rin privacy. Tapos nakadepende rin po kung displeasing appropriate po yung yung i-share post, or baka di magets na matatanda yan. Nagka-custom po ako at sineselect ko rin po yung mga tao na gusto kong makakita ng post na yan. Yun lang po.
Briefly answer the following question about each of the 3 posts you pick. Number 1. What is the post about, or what's happening in it? The post is all about the fight between 2 content creators, Kiko Matos and Rendon Labador. Number 2. Who was the target audience that you had in mind when you made the post? My friends in my Facebook account. Who is currently actually able to view this post according to your private settings? According to my private settings, my friends can view posts because my private settings are set to friends only. Number 4. Assume that the employer is very strict about professional image. Would this post affect your changes of getting hired by that type of manager? Why or why not? So, sa tingin ko po siguro, no. Kasi, hindi naman siguro sila nagbe-base through the post and through kung ano yung nakita nila sa mga pinopost ko. Number 5. Did you change your default private settings on your chosen social media site or app or take any other action? As a result of this activity, why or why not? Hindi po. Kasi yung mga post ko po ay last year pa, and ngayon po ay naka-private na yung default setting and hindi na ako nag-share ng mga posts. Next picture naman po. What is the post about? Or what's happening in it? The post that I shared is all about the motivation of not giving up in school because your parents are there to support you no matter what. Number 2. Who was the target audience that you had in mind when you made the post? My friends, and especially my parents and my sister who support me in my school. Who is currently actually able to view this post according to your private settings? My friends only, because my private settings is set to friends only. Assume that the employer is very strict about professional image. Would this post affect your changes of getting hired by that type of manager? Why or why not? I think hindi siguro, kasi hindi naman ito nakaka-affect, at isa din to siguro sa reason para ma-motivate yung iba makakakita ng post ko. Number 5. Did you change your default private settings on your chosen social media site or app or take any other action as a result of this activity? Why or why not? No, because I think wala naman po siguro ma-open sa post na sinishare ko. Third pick. What is the post about or what's happening in it? The post is about sa mga tropa-tropa na mahilig makihipak sa babe. Who is the target audience that you had in mind when you made the post? My friends. Mga tropa. Who is currently actually able to view this post according to your private settings? My friends, because my private settings is set to friends only. Assume that the employer is very strict about professional image. Would this post affect your chances of getting hired by that type of manager? Why or why not? Siguro hindi, kasi yung pagbe-vape naman hindi ko siya gagawin sa trabaho ko. Siguro sa bahay lang, ganon. And hindi naman ako yung type ng person na mabisyo, kaya ayun, siguro hindi makaka-affect. Did you change your default private settings on your chosen social media site or take any other action as a result of this activity? No, kasi sabi ko nga sa last na picture, naka-private na yung account ko, and hindi na ako masyadong nag-share ng mga posts. At yung mga posts ko ay last year pa. Yun lang. Thank you.